Well, I've got some zucchinis here. It's the end of summer, and you know, zucchini is really easy to find. I'm going to be cutting these up and roasting them in my, you guessed it, my toaster oven. I want all the pieces to be just about the same size. That's four small size zucchinis. You know, they were about that big, and now all these pieces are going to go into a bowl. Okay, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Also, a half a teaspoon of dried rosemary, and actually this is stuff from my garden that I picked and dried, and it makes a really nice, if you can make your own spices, it's the way to go. This is also a half a teaspoon of dried oregano, and this also is from my garden. I just dried it up and then pulverized it in my little coffee grinder. And then I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of salt. I'm also going to put in a half a teaspoon of this roasted powdered garlic. And I'm going to mix this all around. Make sure that everything is coated even. If you have a toaster oven, you will get a baking sheet like this and then a rack that goes in it like that, and that's perfect for roasting vegetables amongst other things. So I'm going to lay these out on here as evenly as I can, and I'm just going to do it by hand. I got the zucchini all laid out now on the baking rack. Isn't that pretty? And the zucchini goes. Do you have a toaster oven? If you don't, you should think of getting a toaster oven, because look at how much fun this is. This is just great. I'm going to set the timer for, let's see, 20 minutes and then check to see how they're baking. Like this does really concentrate the flavors. I didn't have to stand in front of the stove and fry anything or watch a pot boiling. I just put the timer on, popped it in the toaster oven. And in 20 minutes I have this beautiful, beautiful roasted vegetables. And there's my book, Pop It in the Toaster Oven. You can get it on Amazon or at your favorite bookstore. Maybe you're an older person like me and tired or retired, and there's just 1 or 2 of you, and you'd like to bake stuff, but you don't want to fire up that big stove, that big oven that you have. A toaster oven is ideal. Maybe you're going to school. You don't have a whole lot of room. You're living with people in a dorm or a small apartment. You know, you can make a lot of things with your toaster oven. And I have things in this cookbook that show you how to make baked eggs and stir fry, amongst other things, some fabulous desserts.